The XFLY Eagle build is all wrapped up. That's where I put my FPV camera and my VTX. Show you the inside here. I clean up the wiring a little bit. I'm going to put some Velcro down here. I wired in my VTX power plug to the X360 and put my receiver in here. Cut the foam a little bit so I can get my receiver antennas out here so they have good reception. Now, the one thing I did notice about this when I was testing it is you got to play with the throw on the control surfaces, and I also adjusted the weight because I wasn't getting enough throw out of the control surfaces. The second thing I noticed was I had to calibrate the ESCs, because when you did a full throttle punch, one ESC was spinning up faster than the other, and it was causing the wing to kind of yaw on the bench. So that would definitely be a problem if you were going to launch this or throw it in the air. The other thing I recommend is full throttle launching.